Okay, let's continue. Number 18, solution. The formula to use is PB is equals to R times 1 minus I raised to negative N over I times um, 1 plus I raised to negative K. Substituting the values of K, I, N, and R after calculation, the final answer, the present value is 219,064 pesos and 44 centavos. Number 19. A 10,000 pesos payment is made annually for 25 years, with the first payment starting 5 years from now. If the interest rate is 7% compounded annually, find the present value. So we are given payment are 10,000 annually. The number of payments N is 25. First payment starts after 5 years. So the defer K is 5. Interest rate I is 7% per year. So that is 0.07. We are required to determine the present value at time is equal to 0, which is PB. Number the solution then. Use the formula. PB is equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative I over I times 1 plus I raised to negative K. Substitute the values of K and I and R after you have calculated the final answer. The present value is 88 pesos and 44 centavos. Number 20. A pension fund will pay 20,000 monthly for 12 years, with the first payment deferred 3 years. If interest is 12% compounded monthly, find the future value. So we are given payment are 20,000 monthly. Number of years is 12 and the number of periods N is 12 times 12, 144 months. First payment deferred 3 years. Therefore, the deferred K value is 36 months. So, the monthly interest rate I is 12% over 12, which is 0.01. So, we are required the future value at the end of the last payment period, FB. Solution, the formula to use is FB is equal to R times 1 plus I raised to N minus 1 over I times 1 plus I raised to K. Substituting the value of K, the value of N, the value of I, and the value of R, the final answer. The future value is 9,000,000 130,066 pesos and 38 centavos. The MCQ for our quarter 4, numbers and algebra. Lesson Roman numeral number 3, problem solving with annuities in financial mathematics. Number 1. 1. Deposits 8,000 annually in an account earning 6% interest compounded annually for 7 years. What is the future value of his annuity? Letter A, 65,245 pesos and 31 centavos. Letter B, 67,150 pesos and 70 cents. Letter C, 68,300 pesos and 22 centavos. Letter D, 69,450 pesos and 47 centavos. Number 2. Maria deposits 5,000 pesos monthly in an account that earns 8% compounded monthly for 2 years. What is the future value of her annuity? Letter A, 168,606 pesos and 81 centavos. Letter B, 170,000 pesos and 52 centavos. Letter C, 166,000 pesos and 500 pesos and 91 centavos. Letter D, 172,300 pesos and 13 centavos. Number 3. A businessman deposits 20,000 pesos semi-annually in an account earning 5% compounded semi-annually for 5 years. What is the future value? Letter A, 101,000 pesos and 25 centavos. Letter B, 103,500 pesos and 34 centavos. Letter C, 102,979 pesos and 11 centavos. Letter D, 104,250 pesos and 29 centavos. Number 4. A cooperative saves 200,000 pesos yearly for 10 years at 4% compounded annually. What is the future value of their annuity? Letter A, 1,780,000 pesos and 41 centavos. Letter B, 1,790,500 pesos and 67 centavos. Letter C, 1,795,000 pesos and 83 centavos. Letter D, 1,788,845 pesos and 13 centavos. Number 5. A man deposits 50,000 pesos quarterly in an account earning 3% compounded quarterly for 7 years. What is the future value? Letter A, 591,422 pesos and 40 centavos. Letter B, 600,000 pesos and 19 centavos. Letter C, 589,000 pesos and 27 centavos. Letter D, 593,100 pesos and 55 centavos. Number 6. A retirement fund requires 250,000 pesos after 10 years. If interest is 5% compounded quarterly, what quarterly payment is needed? Letter A, 14,500 pesos and 11 centavos. Letter B, 14,600 pesos and 23 centavos. Letter C, 14,400 pesos and 5 centavos. Letter D, 14,523 pesos and 71 centavos. Number 7. A car loan requires 200,000 pesos to be paid in 5 years at 10% compounded monthly. What is the monthly payment? Letter A, 3,800 pesos and 18 centavos. Letter B, 3,750 pesos and 29 centavos. Letter C, 3,760 pesos and 36 centavos. Letter D, the 3,700 pesos and 47 centavos. Number 8. A couple deposits 30,000 pesos annually in a fund earning 7% compounded annually for 10 years. What is the future value? Letter A, 470,000 pesos and 33 centavos. Letter B, 471,125 pesos and 2 centavos. Letter C, 472,500 pesos and 21 centavos. Letter D, 469,800 pesos and 9 centavos. We will have the next part of our quarter 4 numbers and Algebra Lesson Roman numeral number 3.